In this mini Blender Worker tutorial, you will learn how to create this animation loop. So first we need the stars. On the plane, add loop cuts like this, then connect them with G. Make sure to select all the points you want to connect, including the middle one. Do this to every loop cut. Select only the edges. Right-click, subdivide. Connect these points too. Then select these points and with S, resize them. Here comes our star generator modifier. By the way, some people sometimes only call this modifier the wireframe modifier. Boom! Magical star appeared out of nowhere. See, that's why it is now officially the star generator. Okay, let's add the neon material. Change from principled to emission and bump this up. To see the nice glowing effect, go in the render tab and activate bloom. Fiddle with the settings for your liking. Back to the star. Shift D, move it up. Subdivision modifier? No, it's a different star. Apply, edit. First, I tried to fix the weird glitching edges by turning off even thickness on the wireframe modifier, but since this wasn't required in the reference animation I made, I checked back later, fixed the edges on the star, and now it's working with even thickness. Shift D for new stars, change the shape. Make them pointy, or make them less pointy if you want. Camera time. Camera time means, well, no, not selfies, but instead something fun, like adding a camera to the scene. Woohoo, we did it, boys and girls. Although my statistics show it's only boys, but maybe in the future it's not only boyos. So Alt R, move up, and we have a camera facing down. This is the basic thing you should have by now. That's 4 stars, time to create more. We will use array modifiers for this. Select the top star, add the array, turn on object offset, select the star under it. Increase the array number to 3. And the relative offset change their height so they won't overlap later. This was the only rebel star that requires special treatment. All the other array modifiers will be like the next one. Select object offset and select the star above it. And do this to all the remaining stars. Easy like a sneezy. All the stars should be set up so they don't overlap with each other. Time to animate. Turn on automatic keyframing. Select the top star, press R and click. This will add a keyframe. Go to 4th frame and RZ 90. This means spinning it 90 degrees on the Z-axis. Repeat this every next 4th frame, so 80, 120, 160. You should see 5 keyframes by now. The next time will be tricky. We won't just spin it, we will spin it on the other direction to make it symmetrical. So do the same as before, but always type minus 90. And do the same to the rest of the stars. 90, then minus 90. Okay, done. Now spin the camera like this, but not on the Z-axis, type X instead. So R, click, then R, X 90, and do this at frame 40, 80, 120, 160. Now select all the first keyframes and slide them to the frame 0 to make this even. Reduce the animation range. Cool, done. Now we have something like this, awful movement. Fix it by selecting everything and every frame except the camera. Right click and change interpolation type to linear. The camera must stay on Bezier. Add an HDRI. Make it blurry by adding a UV sphere with a glass material on it. With the glass roughness up, we have a blurred background. That's it. Animation is ready to render in Eevee. If you like this, that's good. If you turn on notifications, that's good. If you donate, that's good. I will say you guys.